We have a full load on Vehicle 2.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to processing center.
Have a slight pressure drop on the western array.
Compensating now. Flow stabilized.
The GPS indicates we are clear for the next row. Ensure the laser alignment holds steady.
Confirmed. The grid pattern is locked in across the sector.
Gently, like this. Make sure the roots are covered.
Yes, I am doing it slowly.
The soil temperature in sector gamma is dropping faster than projected.
The AI is already compensating.
The sensor readings here confirm optimal saturation levels.
Good. The new drip emitters are performing well.
Threat detected. Alerting control center. Warning, pest detected.
The probes are reading low on the moisture gradient.
All right, adjust the fertigation cycle accordingly to optimize uptake.
Salinity optimal. Confirmed. Logging as A+.
We are seeing strong cauliflower on this branch. Good, proceed with the cross-pollination.
AI integration engine active. Adjusting irrigation schedules.
A specialized subsurface system injects microbubbles of oxygen into the soil around the cacao root zone, improving.
A wide boom sprayer, guided by AI mapping, applies a foliar spray containing essential micronutrients.
All vehicles and personnel entering the core Cacao Grove area must pass through an automated sanity station.
The continuous and abundant flowering of the cacao trees ensures a staggered fruiting and continuous harvest window.
Sensors measure the structural load placed on the cacao tree trunks and branches by the heavy pods, confirming the tree's ability to support the weight until harvest.
A specialized, low-pressure air jet system gently removes dust and debris from the cow pods. This
Optimal moisture detected.
Confirmed. Ready for harvest.
Automated probes track the rapid rise in core temperature during the first 24 hours. Thermal monitoring.
This manual turning is critical for controlling the biochemical reactions and maintaining the consistency of the flavor development.
Keep the layer even over there. All right, moving to the next section now.
The cacao beans, maintaining their consistent brown color, begin the sun-drying process under the intense tropical...
The cacao beans have visibly shrunk and hardened, developing a crackling sound. The surface shows the characteristic
Viscosity is stable, right within tolerance.
Yes, the aroma profile looks excellent for the Equatorial Reserve line.
A high-speed laser etching system applies a unique batch code, production date, and timestamp onto the secondary packaging.
The snap is clean, exactly what we want. Checks out. Final approval granted.
Here's your receipt. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.